Hey there, it's Felix Facster, your go-to guy for all things intriguing and unexpected. Let's dive into today's dazzling discovery on Facster's Flash. Bananas. They're one of the world's favorite fruits, adorning breakfast tables and fruit bowls, starring in countless recipes, and beloved for their naturally convenient packaging. But did you know that the banana you eat today is not the same banana your grandparents might have enjoyed? Dive into the fascinating history of the banana, where the ghosts of a fruit past reveal why banana flavoring doesn't quite taste like, well, bananas. In the late 19th and early 20th century, the Gros Michel banana, also charmingly known as Big Mike, was the world's predominant banana cultivar. This variety was loved for its rich and pronounced flavor, more intense and sweeter than the bananas you might be familiar with. Its thick skin made it resilient to damage during shipping, and it thrived in various climates. So dominant was the Gros Michel that it became the main exported banana, making it a staple in international markets, especially in North America and Europe. However, beneath this booming trade, a threat lurked, a threat that would almost wipe the Gros Michel from the face of the earth. The Panama disease caused by the Fusarium fungus began to ravage banana plantations. This soil-borne pathogen would attack the banana plant's roots and vascular system, preventing it from absorbing water and nutrients. The result? Whole plantations were decimated as the banana plants turned yellow, wilted, and eventually died. Now you might wonder, why was the damage so extensive? Here's where the business of bananas plays a crucial role. Unlike many other fruits, cultivated bananas reproduce asexually. This means that each new banana plant is essentially a clone of its parent. While this makes growing them more predictable and consistent, it also means that if a disease can kill one banana plant, it can potentially kill all of them. With the Gros Michel, entire plantations were genetic duplicates, making them all vulnerable to Panama disease. By the 1950s, the situation was dire, with the Panama disease threatening the very existence of the Gros Michel banana and the livelihood of countless farmers. The industry was in panic. There seemed to be no way to combat the spread of the disease effectively, and many believed that the beloved banana would soon be a thing of the past. Enter the Cavendish banana. This variety, which originated in southern China and was named after Sir Henry Cavendish, who cultivated it in England in the 19th century, was found to be resistant to the Panama disease. The Cavendish banana was quickly adopted as the replacement for the Gros Michel. It had a milder taste, a thinner skin, and was somewhat more fragile than the Big Mike, but it had one crucial advantage. It could grow in infected soils without succumbing to the Panama disease. However, this switch came with a peculiar twist in the tale. During the reign of the Gros Michel, artificial banana flavoring had been developed. These flavoring agents captured the essence of the Gros Michel, that intense sweet banana flavor that the world had come to love. When the banana industry shifted to the Cavendish variety, there was a noticeable change in the taste of bananas. They were milder, less sweet, and different in nuance. But the artificial banana flavoring? It didn't change. It continued to mimic the taste of the Gros Michel. This has led to the curious situation we find ourselves in today. If you've ever tasted banana-flavored candy, ice cream, or any other artificially flavored banana product and thought, this doesn't taste like a banana, you're both right and wrong. It doesn't taste like a Cavendish banana, the one most of us eat today, but it does taste like a Gros Michel, the banana of yesteryears. Though the Cavendish banana saved the day and is now the primary banana in global trade, it too faces threats. New strains of Panama disease, ones that the Cavendish isn't resistant to, have emerged and are threatening banana plantations once again. This serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities in our agricultural practices, especially when it comes to monocultures. So the next time you peel a banana or savor a banana-flavored candy, remember the tale of the Gros Michel and the Cavendish. It's a story of resilience, adaptability, and the unintended consequences of flavor. A story that serves as a delicious reminder that nature, industry, and taste are intricately linked, with histories that intertwine in the most unexpected ways. Thanks for joining me on this fact-filled adventure. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more dazzling discoveries. See you next time.